this video, we are going to discuss on how to send meeting invitation from Outlook application. So let me open the Outlook application, and there are three ways for sending the meeting invitation from Outlook. The first way is like you can directly reply to the email as a meeting invitation, and the other two ways are from the calendar. So first, let's see how you can reply to an email as a meeting invitation. So right now the first email has been selected, and I want to reply to this email as a meeting invitation. Then if I scroll top here, you can see it as like reply with meeting. So if I double click on this, then a meeting invitation email window will be open. And the other option is you can directly click over here, other actions, then meeting. So let me double click on this. Then a window will be open which will be asking you, do you want to download external content? Let me click on no. So now the meeting invitation email has been opened. So the title will be selected automatically from the email subject because we are replying to the email as a meeting invitation. You can just select the date. I want the meeting invitation. I want the meeting to start on Monday 26th, and you can also select the time when you want to conduct the meeting. If you want to conduct the meeting all the day, you can just select it as like all day. And in the required field, if you want to add any other email IDs, you can add it. When it comes to the optional, if you want to add any other optional emails IDs also, you can add it. And the other way for sending the meeting invitation is you can just click on calendar, and as I said earlier, I want to send the meeting invitation for Monday. Then you can just double click on the day, and here you can see the title, start time, and end time. Here the title has not been given because earlier we have replied to the email, so the email subject has been given as the title. But right now we are sending the meeting invitation from calendar, so we need to enter the title manually, and the start time, end time. You can just click on invite attendees, then you can add the required email address and also the optional email addresses. And the other way for sending meeting invitation is once you click on calendar, at the top there will be an option called as new meeting. If you click over there, then a new meeting invitation email will be open. So this is how you will be sending the meeting invitation from Outlook application. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please do subscribe our channel PYT.